In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Facebook Messenger only. If you want to stop someone from messaging or calling you on Messenger, but you do not want to fully block them on Facebook, this is a useful option. It gives you a little more control because it only affects Messenger communication and does not automatically remove all Facebook interaction. To begin, open the Messenger app on your phone. Once Messenger is open, find and open the conversation with the person you want to block. This is the chat thread where you've already been messaging, so just tap into that conversation to continue. After you're inside the chat, look at the top of the screen and tap the person's name. This will open their profile or chat settings page where you can manage things like notifications, privacy, and support options related to that person. On that page, scroll down until you see privacy and support. Tap on it to open more options. This section contains the settings that help you control how this person can interact with you through Messenger. Next, tap block. At this point, Messenger will usually show you more than one blocking option, and this part is important. You want to choose block messages and calls, not block on Facebook. Selecting block messages and calls means the person will no longer be able to send you messages or call you through Messenger, but they may still be able to interact with your Facebook profile in other ways. Once you select that option, tap block again to confirm your choice. After that, the setting will take effect and the person will be blocked on Messenger only. That's all you need to do. From this point on, they won't be able to contact you through Messenger messages or voice and video calls. However, unless you also choose the full Facebook block option, they can still potentially see your Facebook activity or interact with you there depending on your privacy settings. A helpful tip here is to read the blocking options carefully before confirming, since Messenger separates blocking on the app from blocking on Facebook itself. That distinction makes it easier to choose the level of privacy you want without taking more drastic action than necessary. If your goal is simply to stop direct contact in Messenger while keeping your Facebook account otherwise unchanged, this is the exact option you should use. And that's how to block someone on Facebook Messenger only.